up, peeps? I am walking in winter Candora, which means it is the great season right here. You do know that, right? When the Candora is in a color, more than often it is the winter, because this is wool. The material is wool, and you can only wear it when the weather is like 25 degrees or something like that Celsius. Peeps, if you've been watching my videos, you know that one of my top 3 favorite foods in the world is Thai food, and you also know that one of my top 3 favorite destinations in the world is Thailand. Well, now we've got a little piece of Thailand right here. Sticky rice, bona fide Thai food right here. My man, hello. All good? See you in a little bit. So they just opened this restaurant yesterday, so this is day 2. Sticky rice, bona fide Thai food, something that we badly need in Dubai. Great Thai food, and I know it's gonna be great because Mohamed's mother is an amazing cook, and they're basically bringing all those recipes right here to this restaurant. Let's go and eat. How you guys doing?
How are you, man?
Yeah, awesome. So this is Mohamed, and this is Mariam, and they are the owners of this restaurant called Sticky Rice. I love it. Oh yeah, so check this out. If you walk in, walk straight to the counter. You can sit on the counter and eat, or of course you can. Oh yeah, look at this. This is like an art installation, right?
Yeah, it's a light installation.
And so, dude, I had to drive all the way to Jumeirah Village Circle,
Right.
which
It's far out.
this is the first time I've ever been to this area. Like, Dubai surprises me, man. Sometimes I suddenly drive and I'm in a whole new area. This is a whole new area for me, but why are you guys here?
So, what we wanted to do in the beginning is, since it's like, you know, a family-run business, you know, we didn't want to invest too much in opening a huge space. We wanted to obviously keep overheads low, and we wanted to open up a new conceptual restaurant first and see how that took place. But we want to also grow with the community. Most of the community here are already like developed, established, they've got places there. But there's no actual restaurant that sticks out as a community restaurant. People actually come in and they feel it's part of their community. They're local. So that's what we want to do. A family-run business, you know, that serves as a community. And that was really important. We created this dude, and his name is Cute, because all the Thai girls think he looks very cute. Because they can't say cute every time I show the Thai ladies. What do you think? Oh my god, so cute. So we're like, okay, so I guess that's his name. His name is Cute.
Oh, amazing.
This is my mom's name in Thai.
Oh,
yeah,
amazing.
Amina. Yeah.
All right, so the food is all here and
Counter style.
Yeah,
Right.
amazing. So you're gonna explain some
Right.
of these dishes.
So this is the Hainanese common guy, the one that you've been to Thailand 40 times and haven't heard of. Okay, so you're gonna try it today. It's a bit spicy, it's a bit zingy. This is the garlic, the ginger, and chili. All right, this is a mixture of that. And this,
Sweet.
it's a bit spicy.
It's like crazy red chili.
What I do, sometimes I put this in the broth. So my mom. Yeah, so this is basically a hearty chicken broth soup with some squash, and it's garnished with coriander.
Oh,
Yeah.
fantastic. All right, so this is a signature dish, right?
This is the signature dish. Yeah, this is what basically we like to think built this restaurant. Is this dish? It's part of my mom's history. We grew up with this dish. We ate it a lot as kids. We always asked for it. If you speak to a kid and you ask him what he wants to eat in Thailand, he'd be like, I want common guy.
Yeah.
It's like that hearty comfort food. But there's also a fried version, where it's like crispy fried on top. That's a bit more fast food style.
More food
This
right there.
is kanom jeep. So this is the chicken dumpling, and it's with a chili vinaigrette, like soy vinaigrette. It's a bit sweet, a bit tangy, and it's got like crispy, crunchy, crushed garlic on the top, like fried garlic. So I want you to actually try that first.
Okay.
Then I want you to hit that. Then I want you to hit the green curry.
Okay.
That's
You're gonna eat with me, right?
I can't. I'm allergic to chicken.
Well, you can't eat any of this?
I can eat the beef, but I can't eat anything else.
Damn.
So
Okay.
that's actually a good thing for you.
Awesome. More food for me. Fantastic. All right. Oh, it's spicy. So the sauce is spicy?
Yeah, the sauce is spicy. Actually, try one without the sauce. It's actually, it might be a bit hot. Is it too hot for you?
No.
Okay. You see?
It's got like the chicken, right? It's like a minced chicken.
Minced chicken, and so it's really cool the process. They get like a wrapper, they put the chicken inside, they create this flour, they fold it, the wonton, they put it in the steamer. And you get that beautiful look, that shape like that.
So nice.
It looks like that.
But I gotta tell you that garlic on top.
You like it?
Garlic. Phenomenal.
Yeah, go for it, man.
I probably will eat all this food before I leave. I'm not gonna leave anything. You're reminding me of Bangkok. Killing me.
Well, now you can be there over here.
Oh,
if you miss Thailand, you can come over here. I actually came back from Thailand. I came back from Thailand yesterday. Please let me do green curry. And we're like, yes, we do green curry. And then he eats it, and we're all just looking at him. Because it's like I never left.
No.
I was like, oh, it was so good to hear. It's so good.
That's my worry though. I'll come over here, I'll eat, it'll be amazing. So far it is.
Thank you so much.
And now I want to go to Thailand less and less.
No, you're gonna have to go to Thailand more and more. I didn't want to go to Thailand. Let's do this one. This is the common guy you haven't tried before.
Okay.
Get the piece of chicken. That's the way I do it. This small piece of chicken you can fit in your mouth.
Okay.
Right? And you want to put some sauce in first.
Oh, so first of all, some of this.
Yeah, some of that.
Man, I don't know about, I'll take one of those red chilies, I got to.
Oh, you going for it?
I gotta do it, oh, I mean just one, you know what? Okay.
Alright, get that rice.
Look at that rice, yeah, I can tell because it's not super white.
Yeah.
It's like a milky color a little bit.
Let's go.
Here we go.
Common guy.
Yo guys, listen, I got that chili on top as well, so I'm a little bit adventurous today.
You got that chili? You wash it down with some soup.
Chili, the garlic, and
ginger.
Listen man, you'd be surprised. It's boiled chicken.
It's steamed.
Steamed chicken.
Steamed chicken, yeah. Is that chili kicking in?
Chili's kicking in. Woo! My mouth is a little bit on fire.
I told you that was more chili here.
Okay, so let's get the green curry.
Let's get the green curry.
Quickly take a look at that. It looks beautiful, man.
Yeah, thanks. Looks take pride that see it's super thick too, like coconut oil on the top.
Oh, fantastic! And we're gonna have that with this white rice as well.
Basil. Yeah. You can have that with some rice. Now, if you're really brave, there's a really big chili looking at you right there.
No,
yeah, you see it?
I saw it. That will kill me. That will like destroy me.
I don't think there's any seeds in it though. I think you're lucky there, but I'm sure there's gonna be one inside there.
Right. Yeah, this one's beef, so you gotta join in with me, man.
Oh, let me get a spoon.
Alright, we're actually gonna have this.
Let's start with this dish's name. Can you say it in Thai? This green curry. Or you know the name?
No.
So it's gang. Gang is curry. Kiel is green. Wan is like sweet. So sweet green curry. So gang. Kiel. Wan. Yeah. Nua is beef. So gang kiel wan. Nua. That word is really hard to say.
Let's do that one more time. Gang. Kiel.
Wan. Nua.
Yeah,
that's pretty good, man. That's pretty good. Not bad.
Alright, let's try this.
You do the honors. Grab your piece of beef.
Close my eyes, and I feel like I'm on Thong Lor. I'm sitting in a restaurant, and I just ordered the white rice and the green curry. Oh, really, I love it.
You like it? Thank you very much, man. I really appreciate it.
Superb, guys. I'm so happy you guys opened this place up because honestly, you know, it's one of my top 3 favorite foods in the world. And I crave it a lot. And I seriously, and there isn't a place in Dubai. Really, like I have to be honest. There's a few places, but even when I go there, I feel like I'm not satisfied completely.
Right.
But I promise you, like I'm super satisfied.
Well, thank you so much, man. I hope you're not just saying that.
I swear to God, I'm not.
Do you want to finish this, or do you want to jump? Or do you want to jump to desserts?
A couple more bites.
Let's go for it. Go. Come on.
Okay, so dessert time?
Yeah, it's kanom chan, okay, which basically means like a layered sweet. So it's cooked in layers, right? It's made out of coconut milk, rice flour, and it's infused with pandan. And it's colored with pea flour. That's the natural color we actually extract from the pea flour.
Oh yeah.
So maybe, and it's super chewy. It's our, I guess you could say our version of mochi.
Okay.
If you see the layers, can you see them?
I got it.
You got it? So they're cooked one layer at a time. Pick it up and just, like take a bite. It's like a super chewy.
It's like a little bit, yeah, springy and chewy, but in a good way. But look at the shape. There's a mold.
The mold,
right?
of course. No, we have to go spiral supporting in the back. Carpet better, carpet better.
You're a designer, man. I thought you do that.
No, my mom actually did that. Like this, it was her idea to make the mold. Usually it's square. But my mom's like, I want a flower.
Phenomenal. So we got a flower shape, and the name of it?
Kanum chan.
Kanum chan.
Yeah.
It's intense for like one bite.
Yeah, that's why I was gonna like.
Oh, you don't do that?
You can, but it's good. It's not too sweet.
Not too sweet. It doesn't have any flavor that overpowers anything.
Right.
Just enough sweet to kind of tone down your tongue with all that chili and all the spices.
And panda. Can you take the panda extract?
I love pandan. I love it.
Alright. Order bolo.
This is what a community restaurant is all about. Look at that. Sharing.
But this is for desserts.
On that side, on this side, over here.
There's all these colorful balls that she's ordered. She's nice enough to let us film it.
That's a dessert?
That's boloi. Yeah, it's like tapioca balls. Tapioca and the sweet potato. Look at the colors.
Rainbow colors. It's colorful.
Yeah, super colorful. And they're all hand rolled.
Oh, wow.
Every single one's hand rolled. All different colors hand rolled, and then they're mixed together. Pretty cool. This is coconut jelly. Mama, you gotta come in the camera. You gotta tell them what this is.
No, not.
Mama, come, don't be shy.
Coconut
Coconut jelly, coconut milk with fresh coconut meat. Yeah.
Oh, but how is it? Why is it a jelly? What do you put inside?
I put jelly. I put jelly and coconut milk. Yes.
Amazing.
Yeah.
Okay, sorry. That's a stupid question. Sorry. That's a stupid question.
Question?
Very stupid
That should be a big secret.
Alright. This is called wunkati.
Wunkati.
Yeah, you can have another one.
Amazing. I love it.
Do you enjoy it?
Oh my god, just like pops out of this little plastic cup.
Yeah.
Straight in the mouth. Yeah, it's jelly-like, but it's white. It's a bit crispy, right? Yeah. So, man, first of all, I want to say thank you so much for having me.
Thank you for coming. I really
It's a pleasure. But I have to say thank you for opening a Thai restaurant. Much needed. The food is absolutely amazing. And thank you for hosting me.
I'm more than happy to have you here. Anytime. Come by anytime.
I'm going to drop all the details of this restaurant down in the description below. Make sure you come check it out very quickly and come say hi to Mohamed, Mariam over there, and Amina. Make sure you come and say hello and just come and enjoy the food. It's absolutely amazing. Thank you so much,
Thank
man.
you very much, brother. Thank you very much. Appreciate it. Appreciate it.
We're out of here, peeps.